Hey, 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 hey. We are streaming again. So earlier was obviously it was like a session for my podcast. Hello World Problems. I this name is good. I love this name, but it's really hard for me to pronounce. So maybe that was I should have when I came out with this idea, I should have first say it 100 times or something. But now that it is there, then I'll have to live with my decisions. So what I want to do, I have a phone call at 2 o'clock, so I have to take that. I have to be there. But before that, I have like 50 minutes. I could probably do some work. And let's go to Discord. I think there was some, people started asking questions, which is nice. Okay, that's rookie. Yeah, we had some interactions earlier, which is good. And let's just throw the link to the chat. Yes. So we're gonna we're gonna pin it to the top. Yeah, and that's the Discord. I'm not gonna do I don't have an idea for Paul. Can you no, I don't know. I don't have ideas how to do a poll today. I'm not gonna be doing it now. Let's just run my app. Let's just close this. And this is not the one I want to change. Basically, let me just show you what I want to do. I have my product planner, as I call it here, as a project. It's called Planero. It's basically for planning deliveries, and I don't really like how my backend, my sales page is set up. It wasn't very nice. It wasn't working very well. So Python managed by, that's on backend, cd backend, and Python managed by run server. Yes. So you've got that, and cd web for the front end. Oh no. Oh, okay. So where did I go even? So Python managed by run server. It seems to sometimes it doesn't run it first time. cd web pnpm dev. Yeah. So yeah, up in the way. Oh, thanks for subscribing, somebody. So this is my entry page. So recently I rewrote this login page because I found actually some good ideas. So I found this Famio, this one. So this is like a sales page for someone's brilliant, amazing AI thumb generator for video stuff, thumb generator stuff. And obviously it's good to look what other people do good, and it's not to do what other people do bad. I think he's using, I wonder if he can use Mr. Beast here. Or this guy. Who's this guy? Yeah, I don't know those YouTubers. I just know this face. But basically what he did, and I like that, he has his login page, and it's divided into 2 sections. So one section is there to remind you, okay, don't forget you can do that here. That's why you came here, and we just try to remind you why it's so great. So the login page this is good. So I also refactored a couple of things recently. I think I like what this guy is doing in terms of his.
Let's learn everything we need to know about Nano Banana as.
Yeah, so he's doing quite a lot of cool stuff. I do like some of his ideas. I think I learned a bit from this fellow. And yeah, so the sales page was one of those, so I think it's very interactive. So I probably should improve my interactivity, and then I wanted to make my login registration process much easier. So that's why I actually looked into this guy's ideas as a motivation for my project. So currently this is my login page. I have this pricing page, And here I think I should like okay, so maybe this should be removed. Basically, this button is just like, yeah, start free. Okay, basically I will replace this with a login register pages like he has. Login, launch studio. Yeah. Login, start, and stuff. And although, because he has those tiers here, and I'm not sure if I. Okay, okay, let's just try to do similar as he does. So basically, in my pricing page, and I will use AI for that because I'm kind of lazy now, and I just made too many things with AI here. Yeah, I don't know if it's a good excuse, but yeah, that's how I see it. So in my pricing page, I have top nav where there is a button called like start a free trial button for a free trial. Free trial. Let's replace it with login button. Also, yeah, one thing about my flow is actually I require people to choose their package, and maybe I don't know if that's actually something that they should be doing now. Login button also have okay free trial. Actually, maybe not. Maybe I should rename my free trial. So I will have a button like he has here. Launch a studio, which in this case it gets you to login page. Oh, but it takes you to pricing basically. Okay. Start a free trial. Let's rename it to no, okay. Launch planner. It to let's add login button next to it. Also, my entry to the app currently, like my pricing page should be my entry to the app, I think. My pricing page should be a entry the app. Yeah. And if I'm logged in, the top login, the top login button on and the launch planner should be replaced with dashboard. That would redirect to the dashboard. This also require changing dashboard all. So yeah, URL since my sales, my pricing page will replace it now. Yeah, let's just give it to some more competent Claude code and let's see how it goes. Actually, did I save my stuff? Yeah, okay, I think I can work with that. Let's see how capable it gets. And if you have any questions, you wanna mention something, if you wanna ask about AI coding, will it replace my job? I don't know. We'll see. It's kind of replacing my job as a front-end developer partly. I just have to evolve and learn new stuff as a developer, as a programmer, as an engineer. I think I have to evolve myself since AI is here. But in terms of will it actually get me, get me to lose my job forever? I don't really think that's actually possible. Oh, what's this? Yeah. So that was my. Oh, this is funny. Huh. Anthropic CEO. This is the crazy one, Dario. Yes. Dario Amodei science warns the company is no longer sure Claude isn't conscious. It's not conscious. Come on. It's a computer. It's not conscious. To be conscious, you have to. There is much more to that. The biggest question in AI right now may no longer be the models. Can be, yeah. Basically, he's trying to sell his crap. And yeah, I think obviously I'm using his crap. So I'm not really, yeah, currently I'm using Cloud Code. So probably I shouldn't be bitching at him, but obviously it's a liar. Oh no, not this one. I think he's yeah, it's a marketing crap. And he's sure it's not. Unless he changes the definition of conscious, sentient, conscious, yeah. So, in a recent interview, Dario Amodei said researchers cannot fully rule out the possibility that advanced AI systems could one day have some form of consciousness. So, okay, so this is already, so here he says company is no longer sure Claude isn't conscious. So, and here it's actually different. So, obviously, yeah, okay, you guys fooled me again. Your title wasn't lying. Wasn't correct. Speaking about the company's model Claude, he explained that scientists still do not understand what consciousness would even mean for a machine. Yeah. So it's just like shifting definitions. We are shifting definitions of what's consciousness. Basically, consciousness is something that will, has lots of wills and wants and wants different things all the time. And I don't think a machine can achieve that. The thing is, like, the reason why we are evolving, our technology and our things is that we still want more. We want more all the time. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe a machine. Okay, I should form this idea because before I start talking about it. I think it's a bigger idea, not just throw it out there to the winds of internet. I think it's something more than just computations. And to make a conscious machine, I don't think like it's. I think we can have intelligent things that will make some decisions, and like we already see that AI can make some of decisions for us. Sometimes we want that. That's why we give our CV to AI, so it can decide what's best for us. But the problem is that we still have to ask our AI to do those things. And will it ever start figuring out, oh, we need another product like this because this is useful to people. People want that. Will it ever be there? I don't know. Make sure to subscribe. I'm a growing YouTuber, as you can see, and it's recently, like a week, bit more than a week ago, I reached 1,000. So I think I like my growth. I think I do like to see that there is a couple of, there's 100 or 130 people in a week. That's a nice number. I feel like I'm trying to actually put some good effort here, and some of the stuff I'm saying is crap. So that's me. Sorry for drinking to the microphone, to your ears. Let's see actually what we have now. So I just told my AI, just go away and do this for me. So what would it do? So obviously I would expect it to rewrite some endpoints, some front-end endpoints. Okay, so the main page is deliveries, and then dashboard, products. Okay, product details. I think the is active. Also, when we log in, should see deliver page rather products. Yeah, okay, let's see that. I think that's more or less what I want to do, and then I will have to get what I was actually planning to do, which I said before. I hope you listened, or that's fine if you didn't. So yeah, basically I want to have a login that will redirect here, or you can register, obviously. Although registration should be prompted by showing, I think, to register you have to be asked if you want to pay. It's about time to do that. So you should be handled with basic version of that. You should need to choose one of those packages. Yeah, okay, and on the free version, I'm tempted actually to remove free version. I absolutely hate it. Should I remove it now? I would need to go to the database, obviously. Yeah, I'm actually tempted to do it. I know, I don't even have too many. I have just like a couple of users that are using it, and there's one real user that is actually putting his products into and deliveries into my system. But I'm still like, I don't know if I need to make it free. Yeah, I don't know. I could use a couple of customers, but on the other hand, I'm not really that motivated to give it for free as well. I don't know. It's a question I have for, I'm asking my brain all the time. Should it be a free tier or should there not be a free tier? Is it a premium or not? And maybe like when you register, you get free version and then you are prompted to continue. Okay, so maybe that makes sense. So when you register a new user without filling up the payment stuff. Okay. Also, when we register, also in page we have option to register. This would, since we have some plans, packages that, okay, pricing packages, we should be able to we should be prompted. We should have a pop-up after initial registration, and if we are on free tier, to upgrade. Yeah, something like that. Yeah, I think it makes sense. I hope it makes sense to my AI. It seems to be making sense in my head to me. What's my Wednesday actually? Yes, I have 2 calls actually in half an hour. Yeah, 3 p.m. tomorrow. Not Wednesday actually. Yeah, good. Okay, so let's just go on with that. And what else? I don't know. How are you guys? How are you doing? Should I throw a poll actually while my AI is actually is like refactoring a big chunk of my app, to be honest. So I look at the logic that I thought makes sense earlier, and now it doesn't seem to make sense for what I'm doing, because I reworked some of the entry pages. I made my registration shorter. I made my plan selection shorter. Basically, each click you give to your customer is something that annoys them basically, and makes them actually you know they might stop registration basically. AI helps you most with writing code, debugging, learning concepts, gathering ideas. Yes, try this one actually. This is a good question for my chat, for my lovely viewers, to start a poll. Yeah. So did you watch today's live podcast? I think it was actually pretty good. I was talking about how the good and bad things about AI, like my pros and cons of AI coding. Actually, I really I think like after like a entire project now, I can talk about it. I can probably discuss that kind of stuff, and I had some ideas that after putting some work into a project like that, you start realizing, oh, I like that part about AI. Oh, I hate this part about AI. I hate this part about my application. I don't really like how it was implemented. That kind of things. Upgrade. Okay, let's see this actually. Yeah, let's see this. Upgrade prompt model. So let's just create a new user. 30 minutes mail. Yeah, let's have one of those. Like temp mail just for now, then I will remove it from the backend, obviously, from my lovely Jobly database. No, come on. Are you gonna ask me to pay for this stuff? No, I can have it for free. I'm not gonna be paying you. Reachingly. Yeah, so it's a service where I can have a 30 minutes free email, because obviously I can't do it for free. Yes, I cannot, or let's see if I can. Yeah, so no, I'm not gonna pay for this. I can pay. Yeah, I don't need to pay. Luckily, let's try this email. So obviously there are those services online which you can use for testing if your email flow works. Let's register now. I will use this MAX max XXX. Okay, CACL. Okay, let's try this. Ooh, okay, so I can see that this flow doesn't really work well now. So I should have, after registration, should obviously be informed that it was sent to my email. And now I just been sent here again. So obviously my users will not love it. Let's log in at least. I think that's my login password for my local. Yes. Yeah. Okay, that's upgrade now. Okay. So yeah, now upgrade now shouldn't. Okay, I like the pop-up actually, but let's log in again. So basically the pop-up, okay, it only showed once. I think I should see the pop-up every time I log in to the pop-up to get to upgrade each time we after clicking upgrade button, I don't want to be sent again to the pricing page. We should have all the plans except free plan to be selectable from this pop-up. I will have to actually have a look how other companies do that. So obviously this is a interesting feature. Also, don't forget to vote in my poll. I could see that one person already said that AI helps him most with writing code. I feel like it's good for everything, for debugging, writing code. So we had 2 votes on writing code, basically. I think it's a good tool for that, obviously. Although I wouldn't really recommend just doing that with AI. I think it's good for other stuff as well. And I think like debugging is a great one. Marketing is a great one. Yeah. Writing video titles, it's a useful one for that. Yeah. Yeah, unfortunately I will have to leave in half an hour. I don't mind you. I hope you don't mind me doing that. Obviously, I sometimes I jump for a live stream during the day. I should be in the evening as well, but let's stay and make this actually a bunch of changes here, because I think they are very, very important for my app. Yeah, so that's a good one. Oh, yeah, okay. Nice. So upgrade now. Email is required. Okay. Now, when I press upgrade now, I'm getting error saying email is required. I'm sure we have a email details of person that is registered. Details in database. Can you fix it? Can you fix it? I'll just open the window. I think it's kind of stuffy in my room. Yeah, 7 people. Nice. Good to see you guys. Don't forget to leave the obviously like, subscribe, blah blah blah. Do all that. Subscribe here. Oh, not here. I mean, if you subscribe somewhere below, this number will grow, and you will see this nice animation from 1133 to 1134 or something, unless you're gonna multiple people will do it at the same time. Also, there is another thing that, what's this? Laptop camera. Ooh, I have 2 cameras. Let's hide this one. No. Okay, so there's a Discord where I'm encouraging people to join if they want to contribute to a project together, like build project together. So there's this lovely Discord group that I'm already running, and it's growing. I think it's 34 people already. Nice. we might actually be lucky and create some projects out of it. Who knows? I mean, we've got there is a Google form at the top, pinned to the thing at the top, where you can fill up and just let me know what are your skills, what you are interested in, you know, what are you good at, what's your hourly rate and stuff like that. And if we get any projects, I might be, you know, we might be working together on some projects, or I might, you know, or if you're interested in working with other people from Discord channel, from this community, we might actually be able to build something together. I don't know, we'll figure it out when we get there. Upgrade now. Price ID is not confirmed. Okay. Now I message that SID price ID is not confirmed. What's the CM error? What a funny error. What's the price ID even? Yeah, let's see what this thing is about. So we've got some network stuff. Current. Now subscription found. Okay, that's an error. And okay, so if I try to upgrade, what happens? Price ID not confirmed for the plan. Yeah, I'm getting this error. Price ID not confirmed for this plan. Weird error. Can you check what that is? Yeah, that's just like, I think this is a good beginning, you know. And this as well. Math round. Okay, so it's okay. I think it's this stuff should work the same here and in the other component. That's another I think that's another error that my AI shouldn't really introduce. I will have to in a minute kind of refactor it a bit, because we should have the same data here and as on this login page. So localhost 3000 is here panel. So when we have so the same data should be here, or same components even, you know, and here. Doesn't make sense that it's actually using different. So for example, here when we calculate annual by 12, we do the same? Oh, no. Oh, actually. Although this has changed. Ooh. Yeah. Funny. Funny how it goes. So how is your Monday, guys? I think like it's quite quiet today. I've got a bunch of people, like 7 or something. And they don't talk too much. They're the shy ones. Shy audience today. Yeah, this is not really. Yeah, I think that I'm growing. I'm now with free tier. Upgrade now. Okay, so it seems to be correct. 25,000 products? Do we have this many? Whoa. Can my database manage this many? I don't know. I didn't test it for that many. But I basically don't know if I will get any business, like, you know, big business here. Would be good, obviously. I wouldn't mind. But it seems like what's the card? I don't know what's this. Some new stuff for me. So yeah, kind of good. Make sure to while my AI is working through this problem, make sure to check the some good videos. I mean, the podcast today was something that I prepared for, and I like to make those happen. Oh no, undo. So the live stream was pretty good today, I think. I'm quite proud of it. Vibe coding, the future of programming or the end of real developers. That was the topic. So basically, is it a good thing? Why I love vibe coding and why I hate vibe coding? Was it interesting? And then at the end, we had some good questions from the audience that I took on, that I answered on. And I think I was successful in answering them all. And even someone called me handsome, which was even nicer. Obviously, this is what I encourage people to do. You should call me handsome. So, okay. This is a configuration issue, not the code bug. Here's a full picture of what you need to do. Root cause. The Stripe API keys are not set in your environment, and none of the subscription plans have Stripe price ID configured. Without those, checkout can never work. Yeah, okay. Well, but I have that. It's stupid machine. But why don't you use the same component as in pricing page? It's within pricing container. It already has this Stripe keys set. We have them on backend. Do it same way as there. Yeah, don't do stupid things, please. Returning viewer here, just watching your build. Thank you. We did work. Thanks for joining again. Do you have a channel? Are you building stuff? We did work. If you have work in your name, it means that you are working on stuff, yes? Or maybe I'm not really correct on that matter. Yeah, good to see you again. And everyone who didn't subscribe, make sure to do it here. I mean, okay, this is the number only. The actual button is somewhere lowered below. It's probably somewhere there. Around my left knee. Yep, currently building an AI registry. Ooh, what's AI registry for? What are the AI registries used for? Can you give me an idea? Because I don't really know what AI registry can be used for. AI registry. Okay, there is no E here. A government software from AI industry. AI government. AI registry. The first step to your AI governance journey. Journal. Is this something like that? Or am I talking about the missing layer between chaos and control? What's this? This is a second technical deep dive into 12 weeks journey from the DevOps AI platform architect. Each week I'm building blah, blah, blah. How we add the registry layer into our AI gateway using mFlow and Lungs to manage prompts, models, and routing routes. Is it this? Oh, you are original. Good. Bravo. I'm usually copying other people's ideas, or maybe slightly changing them too. Sending on Discord. Okay, let's see your Discord message. Discord. Yeah, but nice. Congratulations. You have a unique idea. So, browse agents, register your agent, and chat about ARIA. What's ARIA? Browse agents, register agents. Oh, nice. Okay, so this is an interesting one. This is a hotel agent, maps agent, Notion agent, finance agent, AI agent for financial data and marketing information. And people can, okay. Ooh, so people can comment and like rate them. Nice. Yeah, this is like, yeah, I haven't seen that. What it can do, like ARIA is what can you do? I like your app. It's actually working very fast. You've done some good yeah, looks like, is this like dynamic? Are we getting it from the backend, or is it just like a mock stuff? Yeah, it's mocked. No. Payload. Yeah, it's mock, yeah. That's why it's so quick. Oh no. There is a backend. Sorry. I judged you too quickly. Epoch, last calculated. Yeah, okay, so there's stuff going on the backend as well. Good, nice. And the chatbot. Oh, let's go back to the chatbot. Hello, I'm Aria, your AI orchestrator for here's what I can help you with: core capabilities, agent discovery, collaboration, multi-agent task delegation. I can find and correct. Do you want to talk about it on live stream? Do you want to show it to my users? Sometimes I get a bunch of them. Sometimes they watch it. So probably it will be seen by 20 or 30 people. Probably when they are there. But yeah, don't be shy, man. Talk about your successes. Even if they're like partial successes. But this looks good actually. Like it works fast. You have an AI agent. It's a unique idea. I think you should talk about it. And then when you get, your first million, you can spread, but you can give me a bit of it. After first billion, okay, it's AI, so you're gonna get billions. So or once you get to like fifth billion, just you can share it with me. But as for promoting it, obviously. But the thing is, like, I think this is capable thing. Okay, those buttons don't work. But yeah, looks like you are doing something interesting. So yeah, if you're interested, feel free to let me know on the Discord. Yeah, so good idea. Thanks. Great to see you actually. Welcome to my community. Let's collaborate on things. I'm not sure if I will be able to like put a lot of effort into this project with you. It's much more likely that people that are in the community, they will be working with you, and I will be just somewhere on the side, maybe trying to get you guys talk about your project and things like that, because that's it's hard for me to like find a lot of time to build more projects. I think I overcommitted at some point, but on the other hand, I'm very interested in actually talking to you and about your ideas, because it looks very, very interesting. I mean, obviously I'm not an AI expert myself, so probably you know already much more than I do. And the app is nice. I like it. I like your app. I can see that you're using some wallet stuff. Yeah, I do have a Coinbase. I'm not gonna log into it, but yeah, nice. I'm impressed. Back to landing. Yeah, this is interesting. Very, very interesting. Yeah. Someone unsubscribed, so maybe someone didn't agree with me. Yeah, I was just checking here. Someone didn't agree that it's actually a good idea, but yeah, good idea. Killer from Moon. That's a nice nickname. yeah, good. Go on. Yeah, keep on going. Keep on going with this project. And yeah, I think that there's already a couple of really experienced people on the chat that might actually be able to work with you. I might be able to sort of, you know, jump in sometimes, but not really that much, you know. And also AI is, I'm not that strong with AI, to be honest. Except, you know, vibe coding or stuff. But so why do you? Yeah, I have to figure out a couple of things here, like registration and stuff, because I kind of messed it up. Upgrade now. No, it didn't apply that, did it? Let's see what my AI said to me. Okay. Sorry for that. I'm you know, I'm not 100% good. Oh, this might, but why don't you use the same? Okay, analyze. Let me read the full pricing page. Check out blah blah blah. Let me check API config. Blah blah blah. Let me check blah blah blah. Now I have a full picture. The creation checkout session endpoint is designed for unauthenticated new user registration flow. For authenticated user upgrading, it needs the user's data. The right fix is to make the backend read from authenticated user when available, avoiding requiring user company name in the body. So the model works the same way pricing does. Now, I'll fix the both sides and the backend to fail back to authenticated users data and clean up the pricing page to also handle authenticated users properly. Let me also check the pricing page is authenticated import. Okay, good. Okay, it's celebrating now. I like when my AI is celebrating. Obviously, it celebrates always, even if when it's wrong. So, but I like the positive vibe of my AI agent. You know, that it says, yeah, good. Yeah, I made it work. It was my brilliant work that made it happen. So I like when my AI agents do that to me. Let's go on. Good. Use of is already imported there. Now I will make both fixes simultaneously. I wish I could read that properly. Pricing page, backend. Yeah, okay. Backend, subscription views, all pre-existing errors, nothing new. Here's what was changed, backend. So yeah, okay, it had to adjust backend because it was only for unauthenticated. Now has a short circuit. Logged in users calls the checkout endpoint directly. Backend fills the token. Upgraded, simplified. Seeds plan ID. The backend handles the rest. JWT. All free. Okay. Good. Yeah, let's try to rerun it again because it seems like some. Oh, I have to run the backend again. Do I have to migrate something? Do I have to run my migrations? Because obviously this is what not Gatsby, come on, stop forgetting. Django often needs for this to work on my backend. No, the only backend change was so the view logics, blah blah, and the company. Okay, so probably I just need to restart it, and that's it. Should work. When I vibe code, I'm mostly at plan mode, so I know what the changes are going to be before it makes them. I use add file name for the name specific changes if I want. Maybe give it some pseudocode helps. Okay, thanks, DJ. I usually just like go for the extremes. Yeah, and I think like you were right. I should be a bit more careful here. To maybe to ask it for some suggestions. Yeah, I would try that actually approach. I feel like there is a plan mode. Yes, are you talking about plan mode or ask mode? Mostly plan. Yeah, okay, plan mode. Yes, that's a good one. Yeah, I do that occasionally when I'm planning something new. Sometimes I might actually go there, but sometimes I forget and then just go straight to the but yeah, it's actually a good flow, it's a better way of doing it. Like, the plan mode is very good for that. And I think you actually, what you are saying is more safe version than just YOLO, just go on and implement it for me. I think that the plan, yeah, I should actually do that. So thanks for reminding me. I probably should do that more, instead of just going straight from the nuclear version, which is what. Yeah, let's see now. I think I have one here and then this. Yeah, okay, but the layout is not applied still, is it? Upgrade. No, doesn't work. Same error again. Is this gonna F12 network upgrade now? Yeah. Plan ID. Yeah, okay, I do. Is there like a, oops, no, go back. I do this. I do this. I do this. You need to get the price ID from Stripe. Yeah, I do have that. I actually have a price ID on my backend. Yeah, this is already there on my backend. So I have that set up for authenticated. Now I'm just changing flow. So yeah, it will actually. It just doesn't bring it from backend. That's just something that I have to figure out probably. But I should have a price ID for this price because I'm getting them from the backend, where my prices are registered with price IDs. Yeah. With this payload. And I get this. Where is it? Here. Price ID is not it's probably if I just gave it like So you Mustafa, okay, Mustafa Rezaya YT, Mustafa Rezaya YT. You're probably a YouTuber, but you seem to know something about Stripe, don't you? Are you a programmer as well? Mustafa Rezi. What is closure in JavaScript? Very useful.
A closure is a JavaScript feature where a function retains access to its surrounding scope, even after that function has finished executing. Imagine that you have a function inside.
Nice. I think you could just buy yourself a better mic if you want to keep on doing that. Even use like a mobile phone mic, like the cable. Yeah, let's see. So I gave it to my AI. Okay, this is the same root cause as before. The Stripe price ID are empty in your local database. Let me verify this. Proszę. Okay, just a second. Oh, okay, so this is just for fun. You don't want to be famous and reach from the internet. What a pity. Yeah, unfortunately I will have to finish in like... To się psuło już dawno. Unfortunately I have to finish because I have a meeting with my buddy, with my guy that I'm working on this project. So he's my partner and main user. A guy who gives me some instructions about what to build. So I'll do that. And I will have to figure it out later. And thank you guys for coming. And again, like when I want to leave, there's more people coming in. I can see that there's 12 people now cramming to watch my live stream, and I'm just going. So unfortunately, this is how it happens sometimes. Make sure to subscribe. I like this number to grow. Join the Discord channel if you're interested in working together on projects. Yeah, the subscribe button is somewhere probably below. Like, subscribe, comment, unlike, wherever, uncomment. Do all those things that make me more impressions. That's good for me, and I enjoy them. So thank you. See you guys next time. I will probably be somewhere in the evening if you are still interested in watching and listening to me complaining about my AI sometimes, or sometimes just doing stuff. I think it was quite a good session anyway. What are you building, dude? Unfortunately, I have to go. This is called Planero. You can check my projects on my agency. Like it's my kind of portfolio / agency. It's called pixelsandlogic.eu. You can actually see that stuff here. So this is this project. So yeah, thanks for coming. Make sure to subscribe and oh, thanks for subscribing. Someone just did. And join the Discord channel if you want to work together and wherever. Yeah, thanks. Bye. Where do I stop it? End stream. And now, yeah, everyone keeps on coming. Thank you. Yeah.